Hello friends, welcome to Smooth Engineering. In this video, you are going to learn how to interface MAX6675 thermocouple module with Arduino. If you have any K-type thermocouple but you do not know what to do with it, then this video is exactly for you. For this project, you will need a K-type thermocouple. You will also need a MAX6675 thermocouple module. This module is specifically designed for use with a K-type thermocouple. You will also need a microcontroller. For our case, we are going to use an Arduino board. You also need some jumper cables, such as this type, and then an optional thing that you can add. For our case here, we have a 20x4 LCD. Let's get started. You have to pay attention to the MAX6675 module because it's polarity sensitive. There is a positive and a negative terminal, so the thermocouple has to be connected to the right polarities. Otherwise, you are not going to get any accurate or any reading at all. The wiring is simple and straightforward. This shouldn't give you any headache. For the thermocouple, you will need a screwdriver. This is how you are going to make the connection. You get the negative side of the thermocouple and connect to the negative side of the MAX6675 module. The positive side of the thermocouple goes to the positive side of the MAX6675 module. You should make sure it's tightened properly. The second part of the wiring is to connect the MAX6675 to the Arduino. For this, you will need some jumper cables. The LCD that we are using has an I2C module, which is here. We only need to make 4 connections. This saves a lot of input and output pins on the microcontroller, and it's more fast and reliable than connecting bunch of cables. You can have a look here. With the I2C module, it's quite convenient. So we are only going to connect 4 wires. It's time to hook up the microcontroller to the computer. The LCD immediately turns on if the connection at all was correct or is correct. If there is no display on the LCD, then you have to check on your connection.